Have you ever wondered how computers can write stories or answer complex questions like humans? Today, we will explore the core concepts behind large language models, or LLMs. We will uncover their basic architecture, the data they use, and how they understand language. At their heart, LLMs are advanced neural networks trained to predict the next word in a sequence. This ability allows them to generate coherent and contextually relevant text. The most common architecture for modern LLMs is called the transformer. Think of a transformer as a special kind of neural network designed to handle sequences of data, like text efficiently. LLMs learn from vast amounts of text data, often called training data. This data includes books, articles, and content from the internet. The model learns patterns, grammar, facts, and relationships between words from this massive dataset. Before an LLM can process text, it must break it down into smaller units called tokens. This process is called tokenization. A token can be a whole word, a part of a word, or even a single character. For example, the sentence, "Hello world," might be broken into "Hello world," and quote dot. This step is crucial because computers only understand numbers, not words directly. Next, each token is converted into a numerical representation called an embedding. An embedding is a list of numbers that captures the meaning and context of a token. Words with similar meanings, like king and queen, will have embeddings that are numerically close to each other. This numerical representation allows the model to perform calculations and understand semantic relationships between words. A key innovation in LLMs is the attention mechanism. Attention helps the model decide which parts of the input text are most important when processing a particular word. It allows the model to weigh the relevance of different tokens in a sequence to each other. For example, in the sentence "the animal didn't cross the street because it was too wide," attention helps the model know it refers to street. This specific type of attention is often called self-attention, as words pay attention to other words within the same sentence. Building on tokenization and embeddings, self-attention refines the numerical representation of each token based on its context. Let's see an example with the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat." First, tokenization breaks it into, "The cat sat on the mat." Next, each token gets its unique numerical embedding. Then, using attention, the embedding for sat will adjust based on cat and mat. Understanding the action. This means the model processes sat differently if it's "the cat sat on the mat" versus "the cat sat still." Imagine you had the sentence, "The dog ran fast." How would attention help the model understand the relationship between dog and ran? It would allow ran to focus on dog as the subject, and fast to focus on ran as the action it describes. We've explored how large language models use a transformer architecture, vast training data, and key components, tokenization, embeddings, and attention work together to enable computers to understand and generate human language. Now you have a foundational understanding of how these powerful LLMs can produce human-like text and respond intelligently. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.